Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode of Living Crafty and Cozy. My name is Audra and today I am going to show you how to make this adorable farmhouse wreath that can also double for like Easter and spring decor as well. So what you're going to need are some Dollar Tree eggs. They're still $1.25 at Dollar Tree. Eggs are so expensive right now. And you're going to take a couple of their wreath forms here and just start applying some hot glue to what's going to be the back of our wreath. And then you're going to take some of their Spanish moss, just take a small section and spread it out very thin over a section of your wreath. You just want a very thin layer of that Spanish moss. And then just pat it out and stretch it out. Just a very small little bit of that hot glue because it's a really thin wire that you're going to be applying it to, so you want to be careful you're not dripping all over the place there. Next, you're going to start separating your eggs off of that egg garland. Again, this is the Dollar Tree Plus section, and they have these adorable pastel looking eggs. And then your more natural looking speckled eggs, the brown and tan. And you're just gonna place them kind of like one after the other in the shape of the wreath. They don't all have to go in the same direction. They can go in different directions. It kind of gives it a cute and natural look. And cover the entire circle with eggs. And then add that second wreath form to the top and attach it with zip ties. I tried doing hot glue. It wasn't working. It just didn't set evenly down on the eggs. So I put just 2 zip ties is all it need. And then I took this adorable little hello sign with the little chick on top and glued over the top of those zip ties. Next, I added a bow just for a little bit of extra color and charm and hot glued it to the top of the wreath. Just a little bit of hot glue there. And there you have it. This is an adorable DIY. This is not an original DIY. I am recreating it off of a post I saw on Pinterest. But I did kind of change it up. They had a metal chicken in the middle. But I thought this was really adorable and very affordable to make. And it matches my decor in the kitchen, which is farmhouse. And I think it's great. It looks like a Hello Spring sort of a thing going on there with the hello sign and the baby chick. I am over the moon over this DIY. I think it's so cute. And I hope you guys will like it too. Well, that's it for me today. If you guys like what you saw, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and be sure to join me here for the next video. All right, we'll see y'all later. Bye.